Hello guys, welcome to our new video and today's celebrity Diddy. Sean Combs is an American rapper, record producer, record executive, and entrepreneur who has released albums, mixtapes, and tracks like No Way Out, The Saga Continues, Forever, Triple M, Money Making Mitch, Can't Nobody Hold Me Down, FT Maze, Come With Me, FT Jimmy Page, Bad Boy for Life, FT Black Rob and Mark Curry, Show Me Your Soul with Lenny Kravitz, Lon, and Pharrell, Coming Home with Dirty Money, FT Skylar Grey, and Hello Good Morning with Dirty Money, FT T.I. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell button for more update. Biography. Real name Sean Jones Combs. Nickname Diddy, P. Diddy, Puff Diddy, Puffy. Profession: rapper, singer, songwriter, actor. Years active 1990 to present. Ethnicity: Black. Zodiac sign: Scorpio. Date of birth: November 4, 1969. Age: 54 years as of 2024. Place of birth: New York City, US. Residence: New York City, US. Nationality: American. Religion: Roman Catholic. Education: School: Mount St. Michael Academy. College: Howard University. Education qualification: graduate. Career. Combs began his professional career in New York at Uptown Records, where he worked as a talent director. In 1993, however, he was fired from Uptown and began Bad Boy Entertainment, where the notorious B.I.G. is a major artist. Slowly but surely, he began bringing in more and more popular acts like Usher, Lil Kim, TLC, and Aretha Franklin to record for the label. Combs changed his stage name to Puff Daddy and debuted with its hit Can't Nobody Hold Me Down in 1997, which topped the Billboard Hot 100. On July 1, 1997, Bad Boy Records released his debut album titled No Way Out. He received 5 Grammy Awards nominations for the 40th ceremony thanks to the album 561,000 first-week sales. In 2005, Combs rebranded himself as P. Diddy in Carlito's Way, Race to Power. Combs played the lead role. Additionally, in 2005, he hosted the MTV Video Music Award and was named one of the Time magazine's 100 most influential people. The Notorious B.I.G., Boys, Second Man, Usher, TLC, and SWV are just some of the modern artists and rappers that P. Diddy has worked with. Diddy has made several albums in which he features other well-known musicians. These albums have sold millions of copies and earned him a fortune. P. Diddy is the second wealthiest American hip-hop artist. Family. Father: Melvin Earl Combs. Mother: Janice Combs. Siblings: Keisha Combs, sister. Wife or spouse. Partner: Kimberly Porter, 1994 to 2007. Children: Kings Combs, Jocelyn Dior Combs, Jessica James Combs, Chance Combs, Delilah Star Combs. Physical statistics and more. Height: 5 feet 10.5 inches or 179 centimeter. Weight: 86 kg or 190 lbs. Hair color: black. Eye color: dark brown. Distinctive features: wears Ray-Ban sunglasses a lot. Net worth: his net worth is around $750 million US. Interesting facts: he is the founder of the record label Bad Boy Records, which he founded in 1993. In the US, it was distributed by Interscope Records. His dad, who was connected with a drug dealer, was murdered at the age of 33. He used to play football as a child and even lead his academic team to a little win in 1986. In June 2015, he was arrested by the police after he attacked his son Justin's football coach, who was yelled at him with a deadly weapon. In December 2020, on his mom Janice's 80th birthday, he gifted her a black Bentley car along with a $1 million check. Diddy gifted his son Justin Combs a custom Rolex watch on his son's 27th birthday on December 30, 2020. In April 2021, Diddy shared an open letter criticizing the car company General Motors for the exploitation of black-owned businesses. Favorite things: favorite food, Italian food. Favorite movie, Scarface, 1983. Favorite place to visit, home. Favorite website, perezhilton.com. Favorite drink, Ciroc Martini. Favorite movie star, Audrey Hepburn. Favorite TV show, Good Times, 1974 to 1979. Favorite color, white. House. Diddy lives in a luxurious house which is located in New York City, US. Social media profiles: Facebook, 7.2 million followers. Twitter, 14.9 million followers. Instagram, 19.9 million followers.